There aren't any birds.
All right. You know what? I couldn't find any birds outside. I got this. I got this. Birds. Birds. I couldn't find any birds, so we're gonna do this. This is how this is gonna work. Um, bird. Yeah, bird. Yeah, bird. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Good bird. Got like a little hood on him. Got a hood. Got some feet. That's a North American hooded bird. You could do something else, like decide, like move maybe. For all I know, this is looped. This seems to be looped. Oh no, I saw a little fly in the corner. This isn't looped. This is someone actually sat here and recorded this bird. Wow. Okay then. Oh, that kind of sounded like a bee. Interesting. Oh, that is a bee. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Cool. Oh, I have a Windows update. Oh, what's that about? Oh, okay. All right. All right. Getting a bit breezy there, bird. Are you sure you want to stay on that branch? Yeah, he's staying. He's gonna stay on that branch. He's confident in his branch decision. I wonder why he's chirping so much. Maybe he's searching for a lost love. Who knows? Maybe he's searching for the rest of the ink to finish painting him all black. Or maybe there was just an oil spill. It only covered some of his head. Think we'll ever know. Oh, the audio chain. Possible foreshadowing. Hmm. I think the bird would have moved by now. He'd just be sitting there. I feel like he has better stuff he could be doing. Does he ever move? Oh, so this is definitely looped. It's the same bird for 8 hours. Give me the birds. Give me the birds. Yeah, that's a bird. Oh, woodpecker. That's a bird right there. That's a bird right there, if I ever seen those. I want birds, not mountains. Give me birds. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Come on, I hear him. I want to see him. I need to bird watch, not bird listen. Oh, I saw one fly by. Oh. Oh! Bird. Give me more bird. There. That's a bird. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, look at that bird. Oh. Look at that bird. That bird also. Oh! Oh, that bird found a friend. Oh. I feel like I'm watching two birds break up. Oh, yep, she's leaving for that other bird named Chad. He's so cool. So cool. He drives a Civic. Cares about the environment. Oh, and she just fell. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's a thick bird. Oh, that's a thick bird. Oh. Look at that bird. Oh, look at that bird. He's thick. Oh. Whoa. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, of course, the black-headed grosbeak. Classic. The classic black-headed grosbeak. Overrated in my opinion, but you know what? No Oreo, but you know, a grosbeak's a grosbeak. It's a good all-rounder bird. Can't go wrong with a good grosbeak, but you know, it's not gonna blow you away. Yeah, this is a classic grosbeak move. Classic grosbeak. It's a very... Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, that didn't sound like a bird. That sounded like a child being murdered. That's... Oh. Oh, oh, yeah. Red-tailed hawk. You know what? Everyone loves the eagle, but you know, I think the red-tailed hawk is the superior, bird for just the birds of prey of North America. Simply the superior bird. Eagles are overrated. That bird's upside down. Oh, of course it's the chestnut-back chickadee. Of course. Classic chickadee move. Right there. It doesn't care about gravity at all. You can see, you know, you can tell it's a chickadee because of how it moves from branch to branch. It jumps from branch to branch, using its wings to aid the leap. I have homework I should be doing. I might, you know what? For the birds. Do it for the birds.